I'm sorry we didn't get Foxy for you.
Yes.
I don't like you. I'm just kidding. Look at my hair. I look like fucking the Bride of Frankenstein. Look at this shit.
Look at mine. I look like...
This is hair from last night.
Yes.
We are too lazy.
My hair was all curly, now it's all like...
Oh, look at her. She's hot.
Oh, yeah.
Me and Katrina looking at hair. Well, at least I am. Katrina's doing her own thing. Can I pass the candy? The reappearing bucket of candy.
Candy again.
There's a box in it. Look at there's toothbrushes in there. Hats.
Oh my god, I burned my finger yesterday. That's gross.
It's funny because I was curling her hair, but she fixed it. Because I like this instrument. Whoa, her hair is huge. Whoa, her hair is long.
Wait, I'm gonna get on my Facebook real quick. Wait.
Why?
Because I want to.
Why?
Because I can.
Why?
Because fuck you, that's why.
Why?
Because I fuck you.
Because I fuck you. Why? You're prettier? No way. Oh, no way, Brooke. I'm not prettier than Aubrey Kitchen.
Please. One message.
People are dumb.
When or where?
Isn't it a dome or something? Katrina put on lip gloss for you. I put on Carmex. Hot. My teeth look like they're gonna fucking chew some fingers off. Look at.
I feel like a little boy with makeup on.
Story of my life. I look like a boy, but I don't care.
Let's turn it on your picture.
Not troll on picture.
Turn on picture.
Oh. Where do I stick this at my nose? My nostrils are too small. We're bored. Can you tell? Look at this. Look what I just did to it. I like flattened one of the sides.
Candy.
I brought Katrina pupusas today.
Pusa.
Was it good?
I like it.
I've tasted better ones. When I get good ones, I'll be like, Katrina, I'm gonna bring pupusas to the house.
Martha is making me enchiladas next weekend.
My mommy makes the best enchiladas, and she taught me how to make them.
What's up?
You want this coconut shitty one? No.
Cherry nana.
We're really bored. So, what did we do yesterday, Katrina?
We went to circus.
That was fun.
And yes.
No one broke.
I don't know where my money is. Why do you have to give it to her? Why? Why? Why?
Look at my mom.
Mom, why are you talking?
Why?
What did you?
Why? Why?
I'm not here. Come in.
Why?
Come on.
Why?
Your mom is priceless.
Really, Nana?
I actually think I gave all the money to Tata.
Oh, you?
I think so. Yeah, I did actually.
Bakit?
Because I don't want money.
There's a lot. Your money
Kanina
garbage.
ito na.
I'm go to her. It's hers.
Who gave you this?
She did.
Yours?
She gave it to me.
I had coins right here.
Ano sana?
Oh, they're in here.
You cannot keep on me. No matter what, I'm gonna find it. Oh, mahirap pala yun.
There's quarters in there. This music's sad.
Meron pa rin. Bakit may pera na?
That's mine.
Ba't may laman ka na?
Mine.
Barya? Nahihilo na ako. Why you're laughing?
Your mom has so much swag.
Just like this now.
Wait, do it again, Mom?
It's laughing like it just makes you laugh.
You're very funny, Mom.
Huh?
You're very funny.
Like that?
Your mom's amazing. Oh, there's an appearance of my Katrina's mom. Yes. Special guest. She's still dancing.
Did you see me like that?
Yeah.
No, like that?
What is wrong with this woman? There's a sticker behind my leg.
You make fun of me, you. Why you make fun of me, Tina? You like that, huh? Baga sabihin niya, nakakatawa ang nanay ni Katrina.
What?
What the?
Why?
Hindi ko mo ako naintindihan, ha?
Why?
Baka sabihin nila, luka-luka nanay ni Katrina. May loko-loko. Ha?
You're very crazy.
Gusto mo bang sabihin nila yan?
Yes, because you're very crazy. Okay, back. And then, so, what did you say last night? When we were talking about what happened last night? So the story goes, or something like that. So what had happened was, what had happened was, oh look, there's my dad in the background. Maybe your dad will come in here and dance too. Maybe. Or with your mom. Hot. Oh, that girl's hair. It's hot. Well, look at that. That one? Yeah. I know. No, the other one. The free. I still like that one. Good mom, I think. Look how she brushes her hair. She has pretty as well, huh?
Sino?
You.
Bakit?
You have long hair. Yes. Look at this one.
got a show. We did not expect that.
Ew.
That was unexpected.
Special guest. My mom.
Dude, your mom has major swag.
She got more swag than me. So what had happened was last night.
Oh, that shit was cray.
That shit cray. So we went to Circus and
Dude, we won like 30 pillow pets. I'm just kidding, we didn't even win one. Taylor got fishies though.
yeah. And then Ulysses got a monkey.
So hot. That Katrina stole.
And I ran down the street all the way to the river.
Oh my god, and then I left my purse at the river and we went
my
back to
God.
Circus and we ran all the way back to the river. At least Katrina did.
I booked it. I was like, run.
I've never seen Katrina run so fast.
Me neither. I've never seen myself run. And then I found it on the stairs. And then we all
I was
went.
so happy, but I think I lost my key.
Did you? Damn.
See, that's where I got the idea to do my hair. That bitch right there.
And then we had a McDonald's.
I had a drink.
I had a drink too. I had Dr. Pepper.
Hot.
Oh my god, and then there was this one Asian guy. And then he had the same jacket as I had. Well, almost the same.
That was like both red and black.
Yeah, it was
I like how I keep putting on chapstick.
it was this one. Can't really see it, but there was that. And then he had like a gray sweater, and I had a gray sweater too. And then he like had his jacket like down like that. So then I put mine down like that, and then he was like walking like this.
I think he was drunk.
I think so
I
too.
think he was a drug bum.
And then he walked into McDonald's, and then he was like, wee! Yeah, like an airplane, like with his arm. It was weird. And then I don't know.
Oh, the girl's beautiful.
Highlight of my night.
You see what you see in me. Why are these girls so beautiful? Self-esteem levels 0.
Negative pi 42.
Do you want me to fishtail your hair today?
Yes.
Or fishtail brother?
I got a shower first. Oh, what else happened last night?
Oh shit, Twitch. Just a bunch of bullshit
Yeah.
that y'all don't even know about because it's Parno.
Carnal.
They don't know what we've been through.
And
They don't know.
I don't know. Last night was pretty it was fun. And then
Her hair looks like Trix yogurt.
oh shit, it does. I don't know. I think last night was pretty fun. It was for the most part. Being with my boo.
That's me.
My booba la booba. Booba la booba. And, today, we helped my dad find out where this Rosemead Tower is. And I was like, Dad, it's on 2nd Street. And he was like, there's no hospital on 2nd Street.
There's Renown.
But there was Renown. And then he was like, no, there's
That
no
hair is
Renown.
legit. Dye your hair like Dye your hair like that. Oh my god, it was irritating me. It was so
It
annoying.
was so irritating. Like, he was like, no, there's no hospital in.
And he pointed right at it.
And then I was like, it's right there. And he was like, no, we can't enter over there. We have to enter over here. And I was like,
And then he said the hospitals are closed on Sundays.
what hospital is closed on Sunday? Like, really?
It was very irritating, and we found it pretty quick. We found it in like 5 minutes.
And then we laughed about it the whole time. And
And then we ran out of the hospital because it looked like it was in the Grudge.
yes. And it was very, very scary.
Dude, she has pretty dreads.
Where? Oh, yes, she does. I'm gonna put dreads in my hair.
You know you can just sew them in so you can take them out whenever you want, and then your hair grows really long.
Really?
You wanna do that?
Yeah.
When I get money, when I get a job, making sure I'm gonna have dreads. We'll be like, shake
Dreads.
Dude, then we can be like real sisters. And you're moving on. But we can't share guys. It's just weird.
That ain't cool. But then we have the same taste in guys, so.
Yeah, that's for fucking